Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Silver the Hedgehog. Really interesting character. I never saw him in a movie or anything like that, but he was in comics. I don't know if he's even been in a game. I'd have to look that up. If he's been in a game, let me know. Really interesting character. So it's basically Sonic the Hedgehog with some very specific differences in the design, okay? This is for beginners, totally easy. So if you like something easy, let's get started, okay? Let's jump right into it. Alrighty, let's go over. Gonna curve, flare out just a little bit. Excuse me, I got a cough still. Sorry, guys. Out over here to this tendril or whatever he's got. This kind of like peacock-looking feather thing he has. Out over here. I'm sorry, he's got to pull back. Out. I'm gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna find one that goes upward. Another one that goes upward. And then over here, another one that goes back. I'm just kind of finding those individually because it splays out. Kind of, like, again, it reminds me of like a peacock or, yeah, that's mostly what it reminds me of, like an octopus tentacle. Gonna go over here and find the ear behind that. It's gonna be literally a triangular shape. Simple. Over here on this side, back side of the ear on the far end. Let's go to the inner ear. Over here on this side, curve. Line over here, and then I'm gonna pull line out for the nose, curve, and now it's basically Sonic, you know, at that point. Line in. It looks like a bottle cork or something, like the nose. Pretty much a Sonic nose. Circle here at the end of that nose, and then I'm gonna fill it in. Gonna go over here to this side. Curve for the bottom of the face, you know, the bottom of the face part of the mouth. Zigzag over here. He's got like this furry kind of chest thing, the same way Shadow does. Zigzag it back. I'm gonna find the front of this furry chest area. It's gonna go down like a V-neck area. It's gonna pull up. Curve for the shoulder. Out. Curve line here underneath. And line over here. His arm is still like, you know, a Sonic arm. Curve line in. Line out here for the leg. Down. And then over here, you're going to find this side. The leg's going to go out of here. Legs are always just like a stick. That's literally what they are, just sticks. Literally legs for the Sonic universe. Line out over here for the tail. And then let's go out over here for the hand. Sorry, the arm on the far end. Okay. Curve line for the back of the mouth there. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Sonic stuff, anything like that, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. That stuff absolutely, I'm gonna draw a lot of that stuff on this channel, so please do yourself a favor and follow along with that, totally free. No downside at all to subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Let's go over here to the eye. Curve over here, far side eye, curve here. Dot over here. Dot over here. You're gonna give him a little bit of eyeliner, so I'm gonna curve up right there. And we're gonna fill that in. You're not really gonna see the far side one. You can maybe thicken the line a little bit, but it's not really be the same thing. Line here, it's got like kind of a frown. Line at the edge of that. And now we're gonna complete this splay of stuff we did. So let's go over here, pull back in. Over here in this area, pull back in. Over here, this area, pull back in. Out over here, and pull back in. So let's also do the spikes on his back. He's gonna have these two long spikes. Pull. Those are going down right there. Back. And then another one down here. Back over there. Really weird design. I mean, it's kind of weird to say that in this universe, but it is a bit of a strange design. So what you could do is you could leave it as is, right? We could leave it as is, or you could draw the edge of his arms and then some. I will draw his arm over here. So let's draw line flat. He's got this like flat wristband thing going on. And I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna draw like one finger and then the thumb. Almost like they're sticks. And then I'm gonna add fingers to the back of that to make a hand. Go over here on this side, very similar thing. Line over here flat. A block here for his bracelet. I'm gonna start with the thumb area. Pull in. Out over here for the finger. Pull up. Line over here for the fingers in the back. To kind of complete that and make that a real hand. That's it. Let's jump into color, by the way. We're gonna jump into color with this guy. Very little color on him. So let's go over here. Like I said, if you like any other, if you like this, hit the like button. The Sonic Universe stuff is really doing pretty well. Maybe I can draw some other characters and let me know. Let's jump into the color session, okay? It's gonna be a quick speed session. Let's do it.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.